Hello everyone, this is the spokesperson for Pesticide Heiji. Today I will be unboxing Honor's latest fashion phone, the Honor 500 Pro. Let's take a look together.
Here I'm really at a disadvantage with the place for eating and staying. I'm in Xiamen and the shipping place is in Beijing. Every time others get it on the first day, I have to wait until the third day. The official doesn't even set a unified time for you. Silently suffering a big loss. What we mainly see is this pink Honor 500 Pro. It has a flat screen design and looks very slim. The camera module is basically identical to the one previously revealed. Then let's look at the phone case, which is also a very simple clear case. This stylish and bright phone is not suitable for those more practical cases, as putting it on can still maintain its original gloss. The camera module is very exquisite, using the same cold carving process as the iPhone. The whole phone presents a very trendy minimalist design, but I think the dual camera looks a bit abrupt. The front of the device also features a very narrow bezel screen, which visually appears to be almost equally wide on all four sides, though the bottom chin looks slightly wider. Overall, it still has a very premium feel. Similarly, the side of the body also has a smart key prepared for us. After all, with such strong imaging capabilities, it would be a pity not to have this. As for the weight, let's give it a try. The whole device weighs 206 grams. Overall, it is a very exquisite and stylish phone, and the target audience should be female users. In terms of price, I personally think it should continue the pricing of the previous generation. With the previous astronomical configuration, it should be very competitive among its peers.
After unboxing, I feel that this Honor 500 Pro is very exquisite. Although the color I have is a bit delicate, it is quite suitable for some female friends. If you're interested, you can experience it at offline stores, or online you can visit my livestream where I will explain it in detail. That's the end of today's video. Bye bye.